Oof. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Why does it look so early? I was just about to say it's early in the morning. Oh, it's not that early. It's 10:30. I had to come over here to just vent. It's crazy. I'm so tired. I've been sleeping a lot. I've been sleeping more than anything else. Like I've literally, God, I sleep so much. I sleep till I'm tired. I wake up, I'm still tired. I go right back to sleep. I've been sleeping a lot. I feel so drained. Like I've just been overwhelmed, so overwhelmed lately, and I just feel like mentally, I don't know. I just feel like my mind is in overdrive as it relates to a lot of stuff. Like today I need to go outside because I've been sleeping way too much and I feel like that's really not good. Um I haven't been eating much because I think I told you guys in a previous video that I'm on a diet, or it wasn't a strict diet, but I'm trying for the most part. But I don't know, like so it gets so overwhelming. Like sometimes I'll just not eat because I don't know what to eat. Like it's just too much to have to get up and think about what to eat, what to not eat. Like I just don't have the time and patience. Like it's too much. Like it's really been overwhelming for me where the whole diet thing is concerned. Like I don't know. I think I probably just have some oatmeal today though, but I'm just tired. Like I'm just tired. I'm so exhausted. I don't know. I think I need to find some more stuff to do. It's almost summer now, so I realize that a lot of people is outside more. People are doing way more stuff. I guess because of Corona, a lot of us weren't able to do not. I wasn't able to do much for the past 2 years, obviously. So everybody gonna be outside this summer, except me, of course. I'm not really an outside person. My comfort zone is always at home. Well, obviously, I I might be going out a few times, but not that much. Um, well, I'm sure my son is gonna wanna do stuff, so we'll probably have to go outside more often than I would like to. Because if it's up to me alone, we don't really do anything, to be honest. But you know, like I said before, it's a new experience for us. So I'm sure he's gonna wanna experience a lot of stuff and whatever. So I guess a girl got work to do this summer. Yeah. I guess we're gonna have to be outside. Yeah, guys, but I haven't really been eating much lately because I don't know what to eat. I don't know what to eat. I can't believe I just said heat. I don't know what to eat, and I don't know. I've just been really depressed this week. Like I don't know. I don't even know what it is, to be honest. Probably it's just a little bit of everything. You know what's crazy, guys? Like I can't even believe that I really miss Jamaica, but I don't even. It's not. I don't think it's the living situation because I don't want to go back to Jamaica to live, but I think it's just more. I don't know. I think I need a vacation. Like, but it has to be in Jamaica. I think I need a vacation. Like I need to go to the beach, the river, the food, coconut water, two patty, some jerk pork, some jerk chicken. Like there's just nothing to me like Jamaican food. Like I've been trying to adapt so much, but the food. Nah, I don't know. I think when you're born and raised in a country, maybe it's only natural that you're gonna feel that kind of way. But I don't know, like there's nothing to me like Jamaican food at this point. It's like moving here, I've even learned to appreciate Jamaican food even more, because I honestly didn't feel like I would feel this kind of way. Like when I got here, like after 3 months, I was literally just start craving Jamaican food, and like even though Jamaican food is here, I don't know, it's just not the same. It's not the same. I'm telling you, it's not the same. I try, but it's not the same. And even when you're cooking the food, I don't know if it's the seasoning, but it's just not the same. It's just not the same. But I would do well with some beach water right now. I want to go to the beach. I don't know. I don't think I'll be satisfied unless I go to the beach in Jamaica. I know beaches are here, but I don't think it's the same. I have to go to Jamaica before the year ends. Yeah. I have to go to Jamaica before the year ends, definitely. Um and in terms of my diet, like I don't know, maybe you guys can help me, like maybe I have to make a meal plan. That's the only way this is going to work for me, because I literally be doing this every single week and then I go right back to square one because I get so frustrated. I really don't have the patience. I wasn't born with this much patience, like, and I am losing weight because sometimes I just don't eat because I can't be bothered, but I don't know. I don't know. I think I probably make some oatmeal this morning because I don't know what to eat. I probably just have some oatmeal just to have something. I just have something. I might have to cook later on. I think my son already made something for himself where breakfast is concerned. I might have to cook later on, and I'm not in the mood. I don't feel like being nobody's mother today. I don't feel like being responsible today. I just don't want to do nothing. Can't sleep anymore though. I've been sleeping too much. Like, I sleep till I'm tired. Ooh. What are you guys doing today? Like, probably if my dad Jamaica. Well, if my dad Jamaica, I wouldn't go market, but probably some of you guys might be going to the market. Some of you guys might be going to the supermarket, especially for those who work during the week and they only have time on the weekends. Some people might be washing, cooking, and cleaning on the weekend. I don't really have much of that to do, to be honest, because I'm home every day, so I do these things all the time. The only thing I have to do today, really do today, is cook, which I don't even feel like doing. But I just had to come vent to you guys about this whole diet thing. Like, I'm stressed out. Fuck. Stressed out. And I try different foods because sometimes I feel like I get tired of the food. Maybe it's the food. I try different stuff. But I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what the issue is, but I can't seem to stick to this whole thing. But I definitely have to come up with something to fix the issue. Something to make me more consistent, of course. I was supposed to do a try on all for you guys, but because of how I've been feeling, I haven't gotten around to that just yet. I think, yeah, and the video that I was supposed to do with my son also, I think I told you guys that I was going to do a video with my son. I haven't gotten to that yet either because most of the time he comes home late, so I don't know. Why are you looking at me though? Move. So yeah, the funny thing is I am losing weight. I have like 60. So for me personally, I have like about 20 more pounds to go. Everybody's like, why are you trying to lose so much weight? You're looking fine. But I don't for me, I don't like the thickness. I'm like, I'm used to myself skinny most of my life, so I feel more comfortable that way. I don't like being thick. I don't know. everybody else is like, oh, I think it suits you well, but I don't know, it doesn't sit well with me. I don't know. And then I feel like when you're too thick, then you have to be more, even more careful of what you eat, because then you don't want to get too thick than you are. So I'd rather much lose weight and maintain that, and I am, but it's just a struggle. It's just a struggle every single week, and I need help. I think a meal plan or something would help though, if I actually come up with a plan, stick to a schedule, and I don't know. I don't know. Nothing tried, nothing done, I guess. Think I'll have to try that. I've never actually created a meal plan, so maybe I need to do that. Maybe that would work, because I'm kind of a routine person. Like, I like to have a routine, it makes me feel more comfortable. So maybe that would work out for me. Mm-hmm. Pray for me while I pray for you guys. It's not that serious, but I'm just saying. So, anyways, guys, I'm gonna have to go and be a mother. So, I'm gonna get something to eat and see what my son is up to. Um, don't forget to comment down below and give me guys and give me your opinion, guys. I'm out for now. Welcome to the channel if you're new. I don't remember if I said that before. Have a great day, guys.